My neck pain started several years ago and really progressed and got much worse. It started out as just a lot of pain and tension in my neck, all through kind of my shoulder blades and headaches as a result of that. I've always been a very active person with my friends and with my family, and really enjoy a busy life and a busy lifestyle, and certainly really enjoy outdoor recreation. I had to just cut back on almost all of my activities. I didn't ski at all last year, which is the first time in my life that I wasn't able to ski because anything would just make the pain so much worse. Dr. Jatana treated a friend of mine actually many years ago. And I had seen a number of doctors for my condition, and actually other physicians had recommended him as well. I was so pleased with my first meeting with Dr. Jatana. He just has such a great demeanor. He's very calm, very patient, took so much time sitting down with me, going through the MRI, showing me the different images, explaining them to me. And he was just wonderfully patient about saying, you take the time that you need, I'm here for you. But never did I feel rushed or pressured. And the more questions that I had, he was able to give me really great examples of different choices people had made and patients of his that he dealt with. And that really helped me kind of wrap my head around the whole decision, which again is a big one. I had a 2-level replacement, 5/6 and 6/7 cervical. I can't say enough about, of course, Dr. Jatana, but his team. You really get a great feeling. The people in the office are incredibly patient and on top of everything. The surgical staff, the assistants, the anesthesiologists, the nurses, you could just tell there's a real rapport and respect there. I mean, my family noticed it when I went in for my surgery. I noticed it. And it just really gives you a very good feeling that you're dealing with an incredibly professional and competent team. It was an outpatient procedure. I couldn't believe it. I was home that night in my own bed. Within a couple days, I was outside and walking and really starting to move around, and my pain was not substantial at all. Really, it ended up being something that was just not incredibly difficult for me. I'm in a completely different place today. I just cannot say enough about the result that I have. My pain is gone. My numbness is gone. I've retained all the feeling in my fingers that were causing me problems. I already have my ski pass. I'll be skiing this year. I did a 12.5-mile hike last weekend. I could never have done that. Never have done that before. Just completely pain-free, and just really was able to enjoy the experience. So exciting. All my friends and family say, "You're back. You're your old self again," and it's really great to hear.